The Kolmogorov-Smirnov test is a hypothesis test used in engineering to determine if the data can be assumed to follow a normal distribution. As a hypothesis test, we have a null and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis for the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test is that the data follow a normal distribution. The alternative hypothesis is that the data do not follow a normal distribution. So how does it work? Well, the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test quantifies the distance between the actual data, the empirical distribution function, and the expected data, the cumulative distribution function. The KS test statistic is actually the maximum sample deviation of the actual data from the expected data. So if we look at this graph here on the right, we will see that KS right here is this distance. It's the distance, the length of that black line, which is pretty cool. So you can actually go in, if you were to plot it all, and see where it hits the farthest. Now, the reason you're seeing this overlap here is actually because there's a couple different overlapping data points at this part. So it's measuring from the farthest one down, and that is why that's overlapped like that, because the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test tests each individual point, not just the values themselves.